sitting in front of their computer, scrolling through Facebook. Do you spend a lot of time on Facebook? Did you know that you can actually make money on this social media platform? Setting up a Facebook page. One way to make money on Facebook is by creating a Facebook page for your business, blog, or other ventures. Posting on their Facebook page. Once you have your page set up, you can start posting content that your audience will love. This could be anything from blog posts, videos, photos, or even memes. Using Facebook ads. Another way to make money on Facebook is by using Facebook ads. With Facebook ads, you can target specific audiences based on their interests, location, age, and other demographics. Selling products on Facebook Marketplace. You can also make money on Facebook by selling products on Facebook Marketplace. This feature allows you to buy and sell items with people in your community. Using Facebook groups. Facebook groups are another great way to make money on Facebook. You can join groups related to your interests or business and connect with like-minded people. Using Facebook Live. Facebook Live is a feature that allows you to live stream video to your audience. You can use Facebook Live to showcase your products, services, or even host Q&A sessions with your audience. Using Facebook to make money. As you can see, there are many ways to make money on Facebook. Whether you're a business owner, blogger, or just someone looking to earn some extra cash, Facebook has a lot of opportunities waiting for you. So why not start exploring today?